Hi everyone, I'm Dan from Flexxable, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 ingredients of a wildly successful lead generation agency. Let's get stuck in. The first ingredient, number 1, that I want to talk to you about today is being able to choose a niche, right? All of the successful people I've seen have been able to stick with one niche, and they've been able to get really good at that one niche. But let's talk about some of the pitfalls or the things that you want to look out for when you are choosing a niche, because if you get this wrong, then it's going to mess you up a little bit, right? So the first bit that you want to have if you are choosing a niche is to make sure that there are lots of clients out there. You know, an example, it's very common, right? But it could be something like solar, or it could be roofing, it could be like insurance agents, it could be anything like that, all right? So there's got to be lots of clients out there, but you also want to make sure that if possible, that you can generate leads all over the country, okay? There is a national offering, and there are clients that will take leads from all over the country, okay? Something like mortgages, an example for this, lending, finance, whatever there is. There's lots of mortgage brokers out there, and there's also mortgage brokers that will take leads from anywhere in the country, okay? They don't just have to be around that local geographical area. I'm not saying you can't do that, because if you go into solar, for example, there will only be solar companies that can take leads from a small geographical area, and that's absolutely fine, but you will also find that there's some big players out there that will take leads from anywhere. So the best kind of niches are the ones that have a lot of clients out there, so you can advertise to grow your agency, which is always the fastest way of doing things. And the second one is make sure you can generate leads from all over the country. That's a huge advantage. The second major point that you want to consider to grow a wildly successful lead generation agency is to make sure that you build a community around your niche, okay, once you've chosen your niche. So the fastest way I know to do that is by running paid ads, all right? And I've spoken about how we're doing this inside our own agency and how you can do similar and grow this audience very quickly, all right? It doesn't take much to throw up some ads, and we've got some training on how to do this using our B2B funnel. There'll be a link here where you can go to that video and watch it if you do need to find out more information on that. But for me, running paid ads and being able to scale fast in a systematic way and bringing in lots of clients or lots of leads into your agency is very important, all right? And you need to be able to figure out how to get those leads into somewhere where you can email them, SMS them, and also make offers to them. And we like to do that inside a Facebook group, okay? So if you're able to bring leads in at scale at a really good price, which our B2B training does, and you're able to email them and SMS them and also create posts in a Facebook group, then you're continually going to be putting offers in front of these people. And you know, it could be that you land some bigger clients and some smaller clients. I'm going to talk about that in a sec, but you want to be able to make offers all the time to these people, okay? So run some paid ads to scale, and then make sure as those leads come in, you've got them on email, you can SMS them, and you also push them into some kind of a community, whether that be a YouTube channel or a Facebook group or whatever that is. That's kind of down to you, but you need to hit them from all angles forever if you're going to get really good at your chosen niche. All right, so the third thing that you want to do to grow a wildly successful agency is to make sure that you don't just have one offer for this niche, okay? Because what I've noticed over time is that, you know, if you're running ads to bring clients, and let's use mortgage as an example, or lending, or whatever that is. If you're bringing clients in via paid ads and you're growing a community of mortgage brokers, whether, you know, on email, on SMS, and also via some type of group, what you're going to find is there's going to be, out of 100 clients, there's going to be 10 clients that may be a really good fit for pay per lead at volume. But you've got to start thinking about what the other 90 people do, okay? A lot of people and agencies make the mistake of throwing those 90 people into the bin, right? But you know, it could be that this is where the majority of the clients are, right? That's 90% of your clients, and you've got to be able to figure out how to monetize that 90% of clients by making offers to them. And how do you do that? You make offers to them that solve problems for them, and that can be hard to figure out when you first start, but the way you understand what problems they're going through is by having conversations with them on the front end when they're coming into your funnel, whether it be, you know, on the phone or by SMS or whatever that is. You need to figure out what they're struggling with, and then you can create offers around what those problems are. And they don't always have to be adding huge complications to your agency. I'm not talking about if you're running Facebook ads for your pay-per-lead and that's working really well, and then having to move to, you know, TikTok or Google AdWords or bringing in an SEO team or whatever that is. You can leverage your time by, you know, bringing in other people to help with that. You can white label. You can create an info product, for example, that shows people how to reactivate their database that you can sell for, you know, $300 or whatever that is. You can bring in someone that's created another product around your niche. You can do a webinar with them and have an affiliate offer point after that webinar that gives you 50% of the revenue. You know, this is a slow race, okay? You don't have to go 0 to 100K very, very quickly, right? 0 to 100K a month very quickly, although that's the goal here. You want to be able to, you know, figure this stuff out over time and be patient with what you're doing. But the way I always figure out what I need to offer to my community is by listening to what they're struggling with, and then creating offers and products around that, which solve those problems. And if you do that, you can't go wrong, okay? I really hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you want to figure out like how to kind of make offers and what this looks like, I do this all the time inside my free group, the Pay-Per-Lead Ninjas. We'll put a post in the description where you can kind of join and come have a look and figure out, you know, how we make offers, how we engage with our community and what that looks like. And we'll also teach you how to grow that community, all that type of stuff. So it's full of pay-per-lead people. There's loads of white label opportunities and people helping each other out. You're going to love it. So please come and join us. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have liked this video, please give us a like so we know to create more videos like this. If you've got any questions at all about how to grow an agency or where to find further help, please comment below. And finally, please subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we create more videos. Speak to you soon.